Good day guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one, we're talking about how to write history in Gemini. So first, stop using the standard chat. You can open Gemini and click New Notebook on the side panel, right here. After that, you can upload your sources, for example PDFs of old letters, links to digital archives, or even your own research notes. Then the setup. So because Gemini notebooks sync with notebooklm, the AI now reads your specific sources first. So you can tell it, for example, just choose Get Started. I'll give it a name, say Test, Continue. After you upload your notebook, as you can see, you can upload your files. Use tell this prompt. Okay, and after this, you now have your prompt. And after that, you can now add the soul to the story. So you can toggle the deep search mode. Let me see. So you go here into the tools, choose deep search. You can also upload the files, choose the sources where to search for it, and then say something like this. So after the first prompt, just go with this one. Right, and then the artifact. Once you have the facts, you can use the artifact creation tool. And you can use a prompt, for example, transform this chapter onto a cinematic video overview. And then the result, Gemini will generate a script, select period accurate visuals via VAO 3, and even create a Lyria 3 soundtrack that matches the 1920s era. So you're not just writing history, you're producing it. So this is pretty much how you work in quick words, guys. History is a story well told. If this guide helped you find your narrative today, smash that like button and subscribe for more.